Hi everyone, Joe from LMN here. Today we're going to discuss skipping and rescheduling visits. With the initial launch of the LMN Crew App, we put the ability to skip a visit into the hands of crew leads for the first time ever to help maximize communication between the field and your back office. We're taking that tool two steps further. When marking a visit as skipped, your leads will now be able to write a note providing context for why they had to skip the visit. Now, an example may be they need to reschedule just due to the weather conditions that day, and they can also mark the skip visit as reschedule needed by selecting the checkbox in the bottom right corner. Now, this is important to let the operations team know that they'll need to reach out to the customer and arrange a new date and time for the visit. Now, if you do utilize this feature, a skipped visit is marked as needed a reschedule. This will also be visible in multiple LMN web apps, including your timesheet review section, your whiteboard, and your calendar. Now, today we're going to discuss what it looks like from the whiteboard perspective and how you can reschedule that visit to a new day, optimize that route, and set your crews up for success moving forward. So on this example in the whiteboard, I can see that the Hughes residence visit has been skipped that day. Now I can click the edit icon button here and I can see the note on the right section just saying it needs to be rescheduled due to weather conditions. Now, what I can do is I can drag this to the next day because I know that that crew will be doing several different service items that day. And once I drag and drop it, I can see that there's now 3 visits on that day. Now, what I want to do is I can switch over to the daily view and I will move the date forward and I can see there's 3 visits here. Now, I want to ensure that this is the best possible route for that crew to take just to minimize waste, whether that's fuel consumption, wear and tear on vehicles, you name it. So I can go to the top right under whiteboard actions and I want to optimize my route. This will pick up all 3 visits, starting from the starting point of our shop to the end point of our shop. And if I click the Optimize Route button, LMN will automatically optimize that and I can save my changes. Now my crew is set up for success for the next day.